Did you know that over 90% of patents are never monetized? That's a staggering statistic, especially when you consider the potential value locked away in those underutilized inventions. Imagine being an innovator or a business leader sitting on a gold mine of ideas, yet not knowing how to tap into their full potential. Patent monetization is the process of turning those dormant patents into revenue streams. It's not just about filing a patent. It's about strategically leveraging it to create value. So how does it work? Let's break it down. First, you need to understand the landscape. Patents can be monetized in several ways: licensing, selling, or enforcing them against infringers. Licensing is often the most lucrative route. By granting others permission to use your patented technology in exchange for royalties, you can generate a steady income without losing ownership. Think of it as renting out a property. You maintain control while still profiting from your asset. Next, consider selling your patent outright. This can be a quick way to cash in, especially if you're not interested in managing the patent long-term. However, it's crucial to assess the market value accurately. This is where expertise comes into play. Enter Patent PC. With a deep understanding of patent law and market dynamics, they help innovators like you navigate the complexities of patent monetization. They provide insights on patent valuation, identify potential licensees, and even assist in negotiations. Their expertise can mean the difference between a patent gathering dust and one that generates significant revenue. Now, let's talk about enforcement. If someone is using your patented technology without permission, you have the right to take action. This can lead to lucrative settlements or licensing agreements. However, enforcing a patent can be a lengthy and costly process, so it's essential to weigh the potential benefits against the risks. The key takeaway here is that patents are not just legal documents. They are valuable assets that can drive your business forward. If you're an innovator or a business leader, it's time to take a closer look at your patent portfolio. Are you maximizing its potential? Don't let your innovations go underutilized. Reach out to Patent PC today and discover how they can help you unlock the value of your patents. Turn your ideas into income and ensure that your hard work pays off. The future of your innovations is waiting. Don't let it slip away.